Okay, so what that means is that if I'm here, I don't want to flex my hip past 90, so that means there's no reaching over to put my shoes on, and there's no pulling my leg up to me to put my shoes on. We also do not want them to rotate, because so we don't want them doing this, because that's going to flex past 90 plus, it's going to majorly rotate. Okay? And we just have to let all of those muscles strengthen up around that to hold that in place. So typically they'll start off on a walker so that they can displace some of that weight bearing through their arms so they get their legs at weight. And then they'll go to a cane just for sort of balance and stability. And then oftentimes they get rid of any kind of walking device at all fairly quickly. And again, it depends on the person. It depends on age and the strength going in and their willingness to do the exercises and all of that. You know, because I've had personal experience with a family member that was too much of a princess to do the exercises. And she always had a little bit of trouble. Although she never had as much, like her amount of trouble was contingent upon her situation, because she had a hip replacement, and we were all going to be in, she didn't drive any longer, and we were all going to be in town. She had gotten invited to this party, so she, and this is where you got to watch your patients too, because they'll try to pull stuff over on you. So we're going into the party, and she's like, got her cane, oh God, oh. The minute we walked in that party, the cane went in the corner, she straightened up, sashayed over to the bar, fixed herself a scotch, and started flirting. 92. The minute we left the party and that door closed behind her and she thought nobody could see her,
She left over again.
oh,
She was in so much pain.
oh, I said Totsy.
Totsy.
Oh, her name's Totsy.
That's even better.